just drowning in digital stuff. I definitely do. You know, that feeling, endless browser tabs, notes everywhere. Trying to connect the dots feels impossible sometimes. It's more than just messy. It's actively slowing down real thinking. So what if, maybe, there was a tool designed to pull all that together? Today we're diving into Kuse. Its creators call it. I love this. If ChatGPT, Notion, and a whiteboard had a genius baby.
That's quite the analogy, isn't it? But it really captures what they're aiming for. We're looking at how Kuse wants to take all that, well, messy input and turn it into structured deliverables. It's about creating a truly unified space.
Single space, yeah.
Exactly, that core idea. Chaos in, genius out. It suggests something pretty fundamental about how we could work with info and AI.
Okay, the chaos in part, I think we all get that. So what's the origin here? How did they start trying to fix this?
Well, the founder, Xiang started about, a year and a half ago? Really exploring how humans and AI could work together better. The first version was simpler, just a canvas, really. You could drag files on, have these LLM check cards alongside.
Right, straightforward enough.
But then something interesting happened. Users didn't just dump files. They started using the whiteboard itself to, process things.
Right.
Reading, annotating, making connections. Right there on the canvas.
Ah, so the behavior wasn't quite what they expected initially.
Exactly. And that user behavior, it really pushed them. They had to rapidly add support for more file types, different kinds of outputs.
Which makes sense. That organic use really hammered home the need for, unification. It shaped their mission, didn't it? In a world full of tools that do just one thing, Kuse doubled down on providing that single unified workspace where you and an AI partner can process everything relevant.
And then create exactly what you need. It's not just another chat window. Someone called it a real thinking canvas. I like that. For actual thinking, not just dumping prompts.
Right, not just prompt engineering in a box. It implies something deeper about understanding the connections.
Precisely.
So, okay, practically speaking, how does Kuse actually help you, the user, achieve this? They talk about four main things. First, getting all your information in one spot. They keep adding support for more and more files, more data sources.
And the key there isn't just collecting it, right? It's making it all work together for the AI, getting insights across different types of data, stuff that's impossible when it's all locked away in separate apps.
Exactly. That leads to the second bit, an intuitive UX. It's this visual, unified interface, that thinking on a canvas feel.
Yeah, it makes it feel less like work, more like, thinking. They mentioned team collaboration is still a WIP, work in progress, but the solo experience is meant to be smooth.
Then number 3, smarter AI.
Okay, what does that actually mean, smarter AI? It's not just sticking an LLM in there, presumably.
Right. It's about the AI understanding the context of your whole workspace, your ideas, how things connect, learning your workflow, maybe even helping proactively, not just reacting when you type something.
So less of a tool you command, more like a co-pilot that gets what you're doing across all your stuff.
Sort of, yeah. And the final piece is that genius out part, the wide range of outputs.
Yeah.
Creating docs, images, even videos or web pages, apparently, without jumping between different apps, streamlining that whole process from start to finish.
That's pretty ambitious. And what's really striking is the traction they've apparently gotten without marketing spend. Over 400 teams, 200,000 users, educators, PMs, creatives, consultants, students. It's a diverse bunch.
Wow, yeah.
It really speaks to that Y Combinator mantra the founder follows. Make something people want. Clearly, people want this kind of unified thinking space.
Okay, so let's boil it down. Kuse aims to be this visual, unified, AI-boosted space. It pulls together your scattered information, your whole creative process, really, helping you cut through the noise to find those, aha moments, moving from just collecting stuff to actually connecting it and producing something valuable.
Which brings us to a final thought, maybe for you listening. If a tool like Kuse can genuinely take all that fragmented information you have, all those bits and pieces, and help turn it into something structured, something genius, what does that actually unlock? What new possibilities open up for how we learn, how we create, how we innovate every day?
That's a great question. Really think about it. What could you do if that friction of juggling information just disappeared? If you could just focus purely on the thinking itself,